If you're still only using ChatGPT, you're behind, because with Genspark, you can turn one simple prompt into slides, websites, or even designs. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Let's dive in. This is Genspark, and it's going viral right now. Genspark went from an idea to $155 million in annual recurring revenue in just 10 months. That makes it one of the fastest growing AI agent startups we've ever seen. And the reason is simple. People don't chat with Genspark. They give it tasks, and Genspark completes those tasks. Right now, they're rolling out AI Workspace 2.0, and this is where things get interesting. Here is the problem. Think about how you actually work today. You've got ChatGPT for text, Cloud or Gemini for reasoning, Canva for designs, maybe Excel for data, and PowerPoint for slides. That's 5 different tools, 5 tabs, and 5 subscriptions. And somehow you're still wasting hours doing things manually. So here's the real reason. What if one AI replaced all of them? That's exactly what Genspark is. It's an all-in-one AI workspace that costs around $20 per month. One login, access to all of the top AI models, and instead of answering questions, the AI actually does the work for you. This isn't an AI chatbot, this is more like hiring AI employees. Except it's far cheaper. And this is where it gets powerful. When you combine Genspark with Speakly, you don't even need to type. You simply just talk and Genspark executes. Speakly is the voice interface, Genspark is the engine behind it. Or to put it simply, Speakly is the mouth, Genspark is the brain. So let's actually try this. So as long as this program is open, we can hold the right control key. So let's give this a try. You can go boom. Create a pitch deck for my startup. And then a pop-up is going to come up and it's going to take us to Genspark and automatically start working on this pitch deck. And as you can see, it's building in real time each slide. And I will just say that this looks incredible. I work in the startup space and this is exactly the type of thing that I'd be looking for. And now let me show you the full output. So this is the entire finished presentation. And here we can see, got the entire deck structure, copy, design, and even research was built within minutes. What used to take 5 hours literally just takes 5 minutes now. Now let's try and build a website. Build me a landing page for a clothing store. And here we go, it's getting to work and building this straight away. And in under a minute, you can see that it's designed an entire fashion landing page for us, as well as including products here, which is really cool. And this required no code, no templates, and no setup. In about 60 seconds, Genspark builds a fully working website. And if your site already exists but looks terrible, well, you could just say, fix my website, and it will redesign the whole thing in minutes. Now, they've also got a fantastic AI image agent. So if we go to AI image, we can design posters, ads, or even illustrations. And here we can see some examples of what it's made for other people. But let's paste in our logo here. So we put generate a full brand kit for my health supplements company. And we put the logo in here as well. Let's see what it comes back with. And in no time at all, we can see that it's generated a full brand kit for us, including colors that we can see here based on the logo we inputted, as well as some other really cool designs here that we can use for our brand. It's also written some decent copy for us too. Now, design agencies would charge thousands for this, so this is really a level up for a fraction of the cost. Now, what about AI sheets? This one is wild because Genspark can pull data from the web, spreadsheets, or databases, then write formulas, analyze the data, and build charts automatically. So here I've put research and compile a list of the average price for custom photo jewelry in the drop shipping market. And in a matter of minutes, we can see that it's gone out and researched everything we need here. So let's make this a bit bigger. And here we can see everything compiled for us in a very nicely put together spreadsheet. And of course, once we're happy with this, all we got to do is export it with the export button here, and we can get an XLSX file in which we can put that into Excel or even Google Sheets. Now, why is this better than ChatGPT? Well, here's the difference, and it's important. ChatGPT will give you answers. Genspark gives you results. It replaces PowerPoint, Excel, Canva, and even website builders. And not by talking to you, but by executing what you want to do. Right now, you can download the Genspark app and get free credits on sign up. You also get unlimited AI chat and AI image generation through all of 2026 with access to top models like GPT 5.2, Cloud Opus, Gemini 3 Pro, Flux, and more. Try it yourself because once you do, there's literally no going back. That's going to be it from me. Have a fantastic day. I will see you in the next one.